Morning guys, Simon here, Unity Beach. I've got a great deal for you today. This is a Sunseeker. 35 by 12 foot, 2 bedroom. We're selling this off site, 22 grand.
I think it's bigger, it might be bigger than 35, might be 37. Is it cladded?
It is cladded, yeah.
Jeepers, outside lights.
It is a great van.
Beautiful.
If you're doing a building project, Nigel, or you're putting it into a new park, or if you even want to put it on the farm somewhere, this for 22 grand, it's going to be knockout.
What's the heating like?
Heating is central heated, it's double glazed. We've got double aspect doors at the front, so if you want to put decking on it, you can put decking on it. It's a great van, come in.
Okay, this year's, guys, Twilight, 3512, 2 bed. It is a 3512. I thought it was 37, so look, it's all cladded. It is 3512, mate.
3512.
What's your number if they're interested?
So my number is 07973 620 351. Call me, follow me, make sure you log this, okay? This is a really different layout. Have a look around the kitchen space. You know they talk about having the golden triangle in your kitchen, where you've got your sink, your fitted fridge freezer, and your cooking space all in a triangle. This has got it.
Got microwave at all.
Microwave is fitted.
Where'd you put the wine?
Normally,
in the fridge.
In here, mate.
This is mint. How much is this?
22 grand off site. Call us, take it away.
I thought it was 22 and a half.
22 and a half, is it? Is it?
I think it is.
Okay, 22,500.
But we can do a deal.
There's your dining space.
That's beautiful.
Nice lounge area. Everything's clean and tidy. You can fit a big telly on this wall.
Yeah, 60 inch over there.
Big telly. Double bed underneath your sofas.
Wow.
So it will sleep 6 comfortably. Let's take you through here.
This is a bargain.
It really is, mate. You didn't really get this layout with this lobby area either. So bedroom 1 is a twin.
Twin. Wow. It's in good condition, isn't it?
Really good condition. Bedroom 2, loads of wardrobe space.
Just selling it off-site, yeah?
Off-site, mate. Vanity area, your double bed, big wardrobes.
They told me they've only got, I spoke to Shane, he said they've got 3 pictures left now.
What, on site?
Yeah, it's so busy.
People have heard about all the changes at Unity, Nigel. They want a piece of this.
What, the investments?
Absolutely. So much money going in here.
It's going to be nice, isn't it?
So this one's coming off, okay? It can go to your project, to your land, to your own choice of site, okay? 22,500. Call us. 07973 620 351. It's not going to hang around, Nigel.
No, I think it's sensational.
It is. I mean, look at the
Why is this?
aspect door. Look at the sun pouring in here. Look at it.
It's beautiful.
It's a hell of a day to be in Brean today, Nigel.
What a beautiful day.
Hell of a day.
Very quiet here, isn't it, as well? And we're fully open.
Yes,
The
we are,
skies are
mate.
blue today.
So call us. Don't hang around. Don't chew it over. Don't think about it. Call us.
Get it
Make
sorted.
this yours. Let's get it sorted for you.
See you guys.
Cheers now.